Hola, ¿cómo está? Espero que estés bien. This topic is all about genders in Spanish. This video is a step to make Spanish grammar easy. Before continuing this chapter, you firstly need to know about the letters of Spanish and its pronunciation, which are explained in the chapter 1. Gender is divided into two categories. It can be masculine or it can be feminine. This language doesn't have any neuter noun. Obviously, masculine is a man and feminine is a woman. A noun is a word that functions as the name of some specific things or set of things, such as living creatures, objects, places, actions, qualities, state of existence, or ideas. So now without complicating it, you just need to know that in Spanish language, every noun is either masculine or it is feminine. Always remember that masculine singular noun is denoted with el and its pronunciation is ale, ale. Feminine singular noun is denoted with la and its pronunciation is la, la. Ale and la generally means the, the. I am giving you some examples. El muchacho, el muchacho, which means the boy, the boy. El hermano, el hermano, which means the brother, the brother. El libro, el libro, which means the book, the book. El padre, el padre, which means the father, the father. Always remember that in some Spanish nouns, by changing the last letter of masculine noun from O to A, it becomes a feminine noun. For example, la muchacha, la muchacha, which means the girl, the girl. La hermana, la hermana, which means the sister, the sister. Other examples of feminine nouns are la madre, la madre, which means the mother, the mother. I will give you a very easy tip to know whether the noun is a masculine or a feminine. Nouns which ends with O, OR, AL, ADOR, they will be masculine. Nouns which ends with A, D, ION, Z, they will be feminine. Please note that this tip will help you, but this tip is not applicable to every nouns of Spanish. Hasta luego, adiós y muchas gracias.